So, I've been doing all my stuff. Laundry's going, some dishes have been done. I'm gonna go to the store and get my taco stuff. Just looking at the back porch, which to me right now is a failed barbecue. I've been trying to keep my ears busy because back in Beaverton, when our smoke alarm would be going out, we'd remove it. And we'd get a battery and change it. Like, seriously. Because it's such an annoying sound, and yeah. Like, if it struck up in the middle of the day, I would just get up on a chair, and I'd, like, disconnect, and then I'd go, because we don't carry 9 volts with us. The problem now is that. The problem now is the mirror apartment. So, at our doorway downstairs is the HR, whatever, it's the main floor. Hold on, got hair coming out. It's the main floor, it's just called HR. I did get it. Someone will tell me at the bottom, it's probably Haupt something. And so, or Hoft, sorry, I went German there for a second. God, man. So, that one, and then our door goes into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because as Europe does, I know at least here in Amsterdam, it basically goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're on the 5th floor, but we're number 4. Anyways, so the very next, not even around the corner, but like the next alcove is the same thing. It's the next house number down. Yeah, so their number 4 on that wall is empty. They remodeled it and all the wonderful things that I've been out here, and they redid the roof, and there was so much construction, and they added that little thing on, and they added that, and there's a little tiny skylight right there that you can open up. There's stairs that go up towards that skylight. But anyways, their smoke alarm is dying. As nobody lives in there and nobody goes in there, nobody notices it. And I can hear it. I can hear it clear as day. Aaron hasn't heard it for the life of him until last night when I just was really quiet. And he went, beep, and I went, there. And he went, okay, now I hear it. And then like 2 hours later, he's like, I have heard it constantly. I'm literally just waiting for it to die so it stops beeping. And so, yes. We're still working on vacation stuff. We tried to book over the weekend and this, that. So, we'll see. This is attempt number 3. I mean, part of it is the fact that, we wouldn't be having this problem if we weren't trying to do it next month. Or, early next month. Within like a month. Because it's currently the 15th. So, yeah, that's what's going on with that. We're still looking towards, as I saw in the community thing, I've checked. We're over 80 votes, and it's like 3/4 cruise. Okay, we're looking at cruises. I mean, I totally, Aaron and I do kind of agree with that. Like a destination is like, how long is too long? How long is not too long enough? Whereas a cruise, it's scheduled. It kind of runs for us. And whether we're going to go north, whether we're going to go Caribbean, whether we're going to go, because my parents went on a Caribbean cruise many years ago, and they had a lot of fun hitting up all the isles, because they went from like Florida and then down. They went from like Florida down the outside, hit Aruba, and then back to Florida. And it was like, cool. It was they had more of a 14-day cruise. We're looking for like 8. But considering we're in the Netherlands, we could probably go to, St. Martin, and like go from there I don't know how any of this goes. We're still looking. We're poking around. There's Western Mediterranean. There's Eastern Mediterranean. Like I said, there's Nordic. Because of Rotterdam and, you know, I mean, we saw that cruise ship right there in Amsterdam. We could just board in Amsterdam maybe if we go north, or who knows. We'll figure it out, and I'll let you guys know as things develop.
Oh, right. So, for those of you who don't necessarily know, that's basically a 45 and a 22 and a half. It's halfway to 2 plates. But I don't want to put too much stress on this. But I did with single plate, and it was just fine. So, yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know that I'm almost there. I'm not like super weak. I just don't want to put too much strain on my back here. This was broken in 3 places, of course.
You can always tell when you're like needing refreshment and you're low on electrolytes is when coconut water tastes good. It's not going to soonly after that, but you're like drinking it going, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, and all of a sudden it's like, oh god. And only after like sprints and stuff does that actually happen to me. Legs also, if I go really good on the legs. My squats weren't nearly as heavy as I could have done. Like literally. I could not. I was getting almost what seemed to be no glute activation. There was no, it's just, I was just getting everything stretched out in the upper body to make sure I could actually do them. I mean, for Christ's sake, Willie and I used to do warm-ups with 1 plate because we would have jumped if we'd have just had the bar. To be fair, I saw a guy doing squats with like 10 kilos on each side, maybe 5 kilos, and he was jumping, but he was intending to. He was going really low, jumping up and doing a little hop. And I understand that's good for explosiveness, and I probably should do that with like weight on it, because, I mean, I do it kind of on the Bosu ball a little bit during my plyos and stuff, but yeah.